Let's learn and grow. K. K is for Kiwi. Let's draw a delicious juicy kiwi. We need to make little seeds between each line. Now the fun part. Let's color it. First, let's use white for the center of our half-cut kiwi. Now light green strokes like this. Brown at the edges and outer skin. A bit of dark green. Now let's focus on the big one. We will start with light green as a base color. Now brown. Keep the edges darker. Now the shadow with brown and black. Then lighten the green in the leaves. Now let's blend it. This looks so vibrant. And the sliced kiwi looks so fresh and juicy. This is an amazing job indeed. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, check the links in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.